Hello everyone, welcome on Frogtech Tips. Today we have a Lexar N100 SSD hard drive, 230 gig unboxing, and it's actually really good hard drive for the price. I pay for this 30 euro, which is really good price, and it's actually got up to 550 megahertz read speed and 450 megabits writing speed. It's really nice. And one hand man working. Okay, not working. Got a sticker here. Okay, sticker is down. Now we can open with one hand man. It's really simple unboxing. Really. Let's go. And yep. We have a hard drive, really nice color, gray one. It's Lexar brand, like I said, and as you can see, this the hard drive. We got a manual, and that's it. What else I can do it with this hard drive is just mounting to my laptop, for which one I bought. It's for this Asus, and hopefully it will be much faster. Now it's taking loading Windows about 3 to 5 minutes. Is really long. Hard drive is really old. I'll swap it and change it. And that's it. Click like for subscribe for this Lexar SSD hard drive for the good price. Make it faster laptop.